Is Lovely Pet really a fun way to earn some extra money by playing a cute little game on your phone, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it, and in this Lovely Pet app review I'll give you an insert look and share my personal experiences and opinions about it so you can find out whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join Lovely Pet. And Lovely Pet is an app that is currently, from what I can see anyways, only available for Android devices, but it should be available in more or less all countries. They don't have like a list of the exact countries, but that's what I've been able to find out. There might be a few countries where it's not available. I can't say for sure. The only way to find out for sure is by checking out, the App Store or the Google Play Store there. If it's available in your country, you'll be able to see it there. If not, you can't join it. But before joining, please make sure to watch this full video first so you know what to expect. So let me now log in and then I will show you around and show exactly what it offers. So I have now logged into the app, and the main way, or the reason it has its name, is that you have this little dog here that you need to take care of. And you can see there's all these hearts here, so if you take care of it, there will be these hearts, and then you can click the hearts, and you can see you will get points over here. So I can just click the hearts now, and then I get more points basically. And now here, you can see the dog says here, I'm thirsty, could you give me some water? So I just need to click there, water, and then it drinks, and then I have to watch an ad. And that's what you need to be aware of, that when you do this, like that's how the app makes money. Then you have to sit and watch an ad, and then hearts will just keep coming, and then you can click the hearts, and then you will earn. So that's like the main idea of this Lovely Pet app. So I'll just wait till the ad is over here, and then I'll show you more, because it also has more earning opportunities than this. So the ad is now finally over, and you can see the dog is still drinking, and I can just click the hearts. They will keep generating there, and then I'll earn. But like I get like 1 point for each of these here, and I have to watch those ads. Like clearly that's not a lot, but we'll go over later what the points are actually worth. But let's also talk about some of the other earning options you can find inside the app before we talk about how you can get paid. So Lovely Pet, in addition to this little dog you have to take care of, also has other earning opportunities over here in the side. So for example, there's like playtime. Playtime is where you can download other games and play them. It tracks how long you play them, and then you get paid when you play them. In my experience here, it doesn't pay as well as many other playtime apps. I do have a video about the best playtime apps in my opinion and experience. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner so you can check that out. But basically, you just go here, you download it. You can see here that total I would be able to earn this many of these coins there. I would earn per level, and it might look like a lot, but later we'll go over what these coins are actually worth, and then you will see why this is not that much you can earn. So there's also other ways to earn, for example, like earn more here. We'll try to click that. That's just basically paid offers. If you've used any get paid to site or app before, that's where you can find free trials, other promotional offers, whatever other apps you need to download. In general, can be a good way to earn, but and it does have like a decent amount of different offer walls. You just click the offer, read the exact conditions. But again, compared to many other get paid to sites, so it's just not like there are just other options that are better in my personal experience. And that basically goes for all of the ways you can earn here. There's also like the mini games where you can play here. So overall, it has quite a few different ways to earn. They're quite easy. Some of them are quite fun. This dog here is kind of cute, but to find out if it's really worth it for you and lives up to your expectations, we need to talk about the value of the points and how you can get paid. So let's go over that next. So I now jump to the cash out section, and here you can see the payout options, and they might vary from country to country. That is how it often is with apps like this. So if you in another country you decide to use it, please share the payout options that are available there in the country you live in. But you can see for me, for example, it is PayPal, and you can see that I only need to earn $2 to get paid. So the payout threshold is fairly low, but look, that still means that I need to earn 20,000 points. And you saw every time I clicked the heart there, I would earn 1 coin. So that basically means that if you just want to feed the dog, take care of the dog and earn that way, you would need to click 20,000 hearts to earn $2. What's a lot of ads in that process also. So it will definitely take a lot of patience. Yes, some of the other earning methods like the paid offers and things like that can definitely boost up your earnings, but still not a very high earning potential compared to many other earning apps and websites that I have tested. So just to make it clear, Lovely Pet is actually a way where you potentially can earn some extra money by just playing this fun little game. And I do think it's a cute little game, but in my personal opinion, a complete waste of time if you are looking for a way to earn online or from your phone. The rewards are just too low, and it's just not something that I will continue using. It is quite popular, it is cute, you can earn that way, but you do need to do it with the right expectations. Personally, I prefer using methods that are a little bit more effective. I do have a list on my website of my top favorite reward apps where you can do different tasks to earn from your phone. I'll leave a link to that below, so then you can check that out instead. But no, if you think that the dog is cute, that's what makes it different. The other paid or earning options said that that's not different from any other apps, just not the highest reward. So, but if you like that little dog, yes, it can be a way to earn a bit extra as long as you do it with the right expectations. I also do have a full written tutorial of Lovely Pet on my website if you prefer reading about it. So I'll also leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.